Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recreate this glitch effect in Adobe After Effects CC, without using any plugin. This is 100% editable, and you can apply it to your own logo or text. So, let's get started. Open Adobe After Effects. Go to the composition. And create a new composition. Rename it to Glitch Effect. Set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Frame rate to 30 frames per second. And set the duration to 15 seconds. Now, select the Type tool. And add your text. Then align the text to the center. Now, right-click on the text layer. And choose Pre-compose. Rename it to Text or Logo. Let's import the glitch footage. It's a free footage. The download link is in the description. Now, drag the footage just above the text layer. Let's check the footage. Now, right-click on the footage layer. And choose Pre-compose. Rename it. And check to move all attributes into the new composition. Now, hide the footage composition. So, our text will appear. Let's create an adjustment layer. Rename it if you want. Now, go to the Effects and Presets. And search the Effect Displacement map. Drag and drop the effect to the adjustment layer. Now, select the Displacement map layer to screen glitch-free footage. Let's check this. Cool. Let's increase the max horizontal and max vertical displacement. It's working perfectly. But we don't want to glitch to be happening at the beginning, so, let's fix this. First, set the max horizontal displacement to 35. And max vertical displacement to 25. Cool. It looks good to me. Now, double-click the screen glitch composition. Go the layer, then New, and choose Solid. Just trim the solid layer to 1 second. It will hide the glitch footage. Let's create a few more copies of the solid layer. Cool. Now, go back to the main composition. Let's preview it. Cool. It's working perfectly as we want. Let's make it more professional. Yes, we're going to add the RGB channels. Select the text composition. Go to the Effects and Presets. Now, search the effect shift channels. Drag and drop the effect to the text composition. Select the text composition layer. And make it duplicate 2 times. Now, rename the first layer to R, the second layer to G, and the third layer to B. Cool. Now, solo the R layer. And turn off the green and blue channels. Now, our text turned to red. Cool. Now, solo the G layer. And turn off the red and blue channels. Finally, solo the B layer. And turn off the red and green channels. Select RGB layers. And change the blending mode from normal to screen. Now, select the R layer. And slightly move to the left or right side. Now, select the G layer. And move it as well. And do the same with the B layer. Cool. Let's check the result. Amazing. It's working. I am happy with the results. Let's add one more effect. Go to the Effects and Presets. Now, search the effect Bad TV1, Warp. Drag and drop to the adjustment layer. Cool. It looks amazing and more professional glitch effect. Congratulations, you've learned to create a glitch effect. Now, it's time to add the logo. Go to the file and import the logo. Drag and drop the logo just above the text layer. And, hide the text layer. Now, decrease the logo scale. Go back to the main composition. And preview it. Cool. Let's check the final results. It looks awesome. I hope this was helpful. And you've learned a lot from this tutorial. If you are new to the channel, please feel free to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time on Rizat Graphics. Thank you for being a part of the channel. Good luck.